Ramses and his wife Nefertiti. Oh,
the great hypocyte hole, consisting of 134 columns. 1, 3, 4. Many names, many African kings participate and shared in constructing this hole. Not only one or two, but 6 kings actually. Starting by King Seti I, the father of King Ramesses II, and then King Ramesses II himself, and then King Ramses III, and Ramses IV, that you visit his tomb. You remember yesterday in the Valley of the Kings, and Ramses number 7 as well. They continue the construction because they want it to be great.